Hey y'all, what's up? Got the 2018 February mystery tackle box saltwater right here. Came in the mail a little early this month, so that's cool. Always makes my day, especially when a rainy day where you can't fish and the time of the year where the fish just ain't biting in Mississippi, or at least where I can get to them. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. February 18 mystery tackle box. Hopefully get some cool stuff. Ruler. Let's see what's inside. What's inside? So first we got the Perma-Steel J hooks. This thing, Perma-Steel J hooks. Well, these are heavy duty hooks here. 4/0. Here we go, man. I've never seen a hook like these. These things look like they're ready to hook. Okay. And we got 12 of them, so that's plus. Pretty heavy duty. I'm not sure what that bend there is all about. Cam action hook. Okay, that's cool. 12 hooks. Never have too many hooks. 4/0, good size for reds. Black drum. That's cool. Those are $3.49. Next we got Smash Crab Junior. Oh, that's pretty neat. Swimmer crab clone. Don't know how well you can see it. By Chase Baits. And this is apparently $10.99. Pretty cool. Target species: snapper, mangrove, jack, barramundi, tuskfish, jewfish, trevally, all your reef fish species. Cool. Sure redfish will eat this. I'll try it anyways. Up next, and that's $10.99. Up next we got the Slug and Go. Let's see, Slug and Go. Is this it? Yep. Slug and Go. These are $3.25 by Lunker City. I don't know what kind of, looks like an eel almost. Black and silver. This probably work pretty good with the dark muddy water we got here. Silver pepper shiner, it says. 4.5 inches long. There's 4 of them in there. Definitely give these a shot and see. For those are $3.25. Next we got the Pompano rig. These are cool. I like using these. Basically anything, really. So that's cool. Trout. Sheephead hooks are good size for. I've got the sticker. That's a snake, I guess. Cool. And the Pompano rig was $2.99, and Double Jeopardy worm rig by H&H is $2.99 as well. Oh, that's one big eel looking thing, I guess. 2 hooks, gotcha. Worm rig. Normally I see these and it's just two jigs on the same line, but this is neat. Definitely try this. Flounder maybe. Trout. Oh no, we'll give it a shot. Got some pretty cool stuff. This crab is pretty nice. The hooks, you know, like I said, you can't have too many hooks. Have to look more into these. I'm not sure what the cam whatever it is, but cool. And then there we go, Pompano rig. Neat. Alright you guys, if you like it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. This summer I'll probably make another channel that'll tend more towards mystery tackle box, fishing stuff all together. Get out on a kayak, get out and do some wade fishing, and we'll put that stuff over there. So before I do that, I'll let you guys know. Alright, thank you.